Want to start a wet wipes business in 2026? Here are some important things you should know before investing in a wet wipes production line. Wet wipes demand is still growing worldwide. Baby wipes, disinfecting wipes, and personal care wipes are all high-demand products in many countries. Many startups are entering this market because of low labor requirements and scalable production. A complete wet wipes production line usually includes non-woven feeding system, folding unit, liquid filling system, stacking unit, packaging machine, lid applicator system. Depending on your target market, the machine speed and configuration can vary. If you are a startup, the single-pack wet wipes machine may be enough. If you plan large-scale production, a fully automatic line can help reduce labor cost and improve efficiency. We Suny can provide production lines for all categories of wet wipes. And before buying a machine, many customers ask, how many workers are needed? What is the factory space requirement? How stable is the machine? Is after-sales service available overseas? These are important factors when choosing a supplier. But there's no need to worry. Suny is a total solution provider for all kinds of wet wipes production lines. From raw material supply to machine installation and commissioning, we provide complete support. If you are planning to start a wet wipes business, feel free to leave a comment or contact us for machine recommendations based on your production goals.